if my junk work. What up, y'all? It's your boy Dave, Dave and Giving Productions. Shoot, I know we ain't dropped a video in a minute, man, but shoot, we about to start dropping a lot of little heat. You know, we've been out of commission. We ain't been out of commission, we just ain't been making no videos, man. We about to get back to it. You know, show y'all some more stuff. Shout out to all my people, man, still doing the YouTube, you know, still keeping their junk pushing, man. I had to get with a couple of my people, man, and shoot, just get motivated, man, because I know you gotta stay motivated to do this stuff, man, because shoot, if you ain't motivated, you ain't gonna do it. So, man, right, but today we about to go, you know, so today I'm gonna show y'all how we gonna I need a new battery in my key fob for my car. So what we about to do is I'm about to do it myself instead of going to the dealership, you know what I'm saying, paying them shoot extra money when you could just, you know what I'm saying, go get the battery yourself and put it in, you know. Shoot, me, you know, I like to do everything myself if I, you know how to do it. It's something real simple. I don't really like to fix on cars or nothing like that, but I'm about to do this by myself. So I'm about to pull up and get this battery, you know, for my the key fob of my car. Key fob right here. About to put that in. Show y'all, you know, how it go, man, so y'all can save some money, man. I'm about to save y'all some money. How I be saving money, because I'm about to save some money right now on I think like $10-20. So I'll get right back at y'all. Let me go pick this battery up. About to pull up at the store now. As soon as these cars pull out, pull over here. Yeah, still hitting, but I'll hit y'all as soon as I get out this stove. Hey man, just got out the stove. It just cost about, what is like $6.35, so y'all can see. Just got the battery. She about to put it in, man, so y'all can see. Show y'all how to take it out. Put in the key fob, man. Let me show y'all real quick. Nah, this is what y'all do. This the key fob right here. Y'all get y'all a screwdriver, and basically what you gonna do is just take this right here, this little button right here. You're gonna basically just push it that way, push it, you know what I'm saying, down or whatever. So we gonna take this, let me show you, push it, you're gonna push it down, then pull this part out, pull the key part out, and then you got two things. Let me see if you can see it. Wait. You got two things. You got one, let's see, you got one, that was the key, the key came out of it, then you got this other one. Now the other one, you basically gonna take this screwdriver and try to pop it open like that. So, but what I usually do is either like somewhere in here to basically get this apart. So what I do is put it in here, right here, like here, and then just pop it open like that. And then, so once you pop it open, bam, you got the battery in there, but you gotta be gentle though. Don't try to mess up nothing, you know what I'm saying, far as like right here and nothing like that. So I'm gonna sit that down right there, and then I'm gonna just pop this out, pop this battery out. Bam, now that's the battery. That's the battery, you know, make sure the numbers, you know, match up and everything like that. The numbers matching up.
Daddy,
I sit that right there. What?
I use that controller thing. You see that green thing? I can use it for my science project.
Your science project? Yeah, we can do a science project. Yeah. That's it. Stop shaking the camera, man. You gotta stay still.
Okay, this is the thing, like you take out, you could do.
Yeah, that you can take it out. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is the part of the battery. We gonna take this out. Let me
Yeah, you could do different stuff. Don't break it though.
Don't break it. Break, day, not broke. Man.
Don't.
You gotta keep the camera still, man.
Don't break it now.
Hey, how do I take this out?
Don't
man?
break it because you're not go. You got a car. Don't break it. You're not gonna get a key anymore. Don't drive. You standing right here. You have to walk all day.
Let's see, hold up.
You're far away.
Way.
Just be careful.
There you go. There you go.
I use less like this.
All right, there we go. It's open.
He don't use scissors. He just use
screwdriver.
Screwdriver.
Yeah, you could use scissors though to open it up, but
yeah.
Let me take it out. And then okay, there it go.
It have to be like that.
Yep, and then so now we gotta make sure. We gotta make sure that this part, they got the information as far as like the number and everything like that. The number, what kind of battery it is and everything. We got to make sure this is facing down. So when we put it in, bam, that's facing down. Put it in. And then put the top back on. Close it up good. Yep, close it up good and we all set. Key fob in. We all set. And that's how you replace a battery in a key fob of a Dodge Charger. Alright, let's see if it worked now. Good now. Go lock. Oh. All right, we good now. Yeah, we back in action, boy. Yeah, so now we about to, replace the battery. So we good now, man. We back in action. I can use my automatic start again, you know. Shoot, I was out of commission. Battery got new battery in there. But yeah, but now y'all know how to do it, man, for under $10, man. I thought it was gonna be more than that, but it was actually only like $6. So actually I'm gonna tell y'all, oh yeah, back in action. But yeah, I'm about to tell y'all exactly how much it was. It was $635. $635. So y'all can change your battery and your key fob for less than $10, man. Less than $10. Can't beat that. Instead of going to the dealership. But yeah, man, I hope that can help y'all out, man. You know what I'm saying? Shoot, if y'all you know, save y'all some money, man, or something like that. I hope it can save y'all some money. You know that you know what I'm saying? Well, y'all ain't gotta go to the dealership or nothing like that, but make sure y'all like this video, man. Comment down below. Let me know how y'all, you know, if y'all did it, y'all tried it out or not. Yeah, man, but just stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. We about to be dropping a whole lot of more videos, man. Like a lot of videos that I was telling y'all about, as far as us doing the slideshows and the scats and showing y'all how to do it in the RT. You know, cause I got an RT or whatever. So turn it off, man. Dang. Turn it off. Yep, show y'all how to do it in the RT. You know, shoot, Hellcat on the way. Just letting y'all know too. Hellcat on the way. Definitely gonna come Hellcat. I don't know if I should do a Challenger or a Charger, but y'all gotta just make sure y'all subscribe, man, and stay tuned to the videos, man. Stay tuned to the channel. Make sure y'all, you know, subscribe, man. Tell somebody to subscribe, man. If you know somebody that's in the cars and in the just shoot everything for real, because we gonna start posting everything. Clothes, cars, vacations. Yeah, but make sure y'all subscribe, man. Dave McGinn Productions, man. Let's get it.